Welcome to this calming ASMR deep cleansing session. Please relax. Slow down your breathing, and enjoy this peaceful skincare experience. We begin by gently cleansing the skin surface, removing dirt, and daily impurities. This step helps prepare the skin for a deeper and more effective cleanse. Warm steam is now applied to help open the pores naturally. This allows trapped oil and blackheads to loosen safely and comfortably. Now we carefully focus on deep pore cleansing. Excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities are gently removed without irritating the skin. This process helps reduce congestion and supports healthier looking skin. This treatment is suitable for acne-prone skin. It helps keep pores clean and reduces the chance of future breakouts. Every movement is slow and gentle, allowing the skin to remain calm and relaxed. A cooling and soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin, reduce redness and restore balance. Light hydration is added to help lock in moisture and protect the skin barrier. The skin now feels refreshed, deeply cleansed, and comfortable. This video is for relaxation and educational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice. We begin by preparing the skin. The face is gently cleansed to remove surface dirt, excess oil, sunscreen residue, and daily impurities. This first step is very important because clean skin allows all following treatments to work more effectively. The movements are slow and soft, helping the skin remain calm and comfortable. Next, warm steam is carefully introduced. The purpose of steaming is to help open the pores naturally. When pores are relaxed, trapped oil, dead skin cells, and buildup become easier to remove without pressure or irritation. During this step, the skin starts to feel softer and more receptive to deep cleansing. As impurities are lifted from the pores, the skin begins to feel lighter and refreshed. Deep cleansing helps reduce congestion, which may support a clearer and healthier appearance over time. This process is not rushed. Slow, consistent movements allow the skin to adjust and remain relaxed throughout the session. Special attention is given to acne-prone areas. These areas require extra care, as irritated skin can easily become sensitive. Gentle techniques help keep pores clean while minimizing redness and discomfort. This approach supports the skin's natural balance and promotes a calm, even texture. Once deep cleansing is complete, the skin enters a soothing phase. A calming treatment is applied to help reduce redness and restore comfort. This step is essential after pore cleansing, as it helps the skin settle and feel relaxed again. Cooling sensations help close the pores gently and bring the skin back to a balanced state. Hydration is then applied to support the skin barrier. Light moisturizing products help lock in hydration without clogging pores. Well-hydrated skin often appears smoother and more refreshed. This step also helps protect the skin from dryness after cleansing. As the treatment continues, the skin now feels clean, refreshed, and comfortable. Deep cleansing, when done gently and consistent throughout this session, every sound and movement is kept soft and slow to enhance the ASMR experience. The gentle rhythm helps the mind relax, while the skin receives careful attention. This combination of relaxation and skincare creates a peaceful moment for both body and mind. As the treatment continues, the skin now feels clean, refreshed, and comfortable. Deep cleansing, when done gently and consistently, can support healthier looking skin over time. The goal is not perfection, but balance, comfort, and relaxation. Throughout this session, every sound and movement is kept soft and slow to enhance the ASMR experience. The gentle rhythm helps the mind relax, while the skin receives careful attention. This combination of relaxation and skincare creates a peaceful moment for both body and mind. Before you go, take one more slow, deep breath. Allow your body to relax even further, and let your mind stay calm and clear. This session was created to bring you comfort, relaxation, and a gentle moment of care. Feel free to explore our channel for more peaceful skincare and ASMR sessions, designed to help you unwind anytime you need. Until next time, stay relaxed, take care of your skin, and enjoy a calm and peaceful day.